Welcome to today's breakdown for how to set up a wireless smart security camera and how to live stream right to your phone. First things first, let's open up the Vika Home app and turn on the camera so it can give off a chime and a light indicator letting you know it's ready to connect. Once you heard the sound or saw the light, confirm it in the app and hit next step. And connect to the home or office Wi-Fi of your preference and enter the password and confirm. A QR code would display on your phone, so place the camera at least 6 to 12 inches away from your phone so it can scan that QR code successfully and connect to the network. Once it has, you'd be able to rename the device and select the location for the camera. Right here is going to check a Wi-Fi signal strength and make sure it's strong. We'd hit next and tell the app how it's going to be battery operated, whether it's solar paneled, plugged in, or just the battery itself. And these are some pro tips for installation and make sure your camera is set up in the right way. And we can optionally choose to subscribe to this plan. You can hit X at the top right if you decide not to. And when you click on the camera, you have some options to change the resolution, put on an audible alarm, or turn on a white light for extra lighting. If you decide to turn on the audible alarm, a siren will go off from the speaker from the device. On the left side of the screen, you can have an option to screen record or even screen capture what you see on the screen, and it'll save right to your gallery. And that's the how-to setup for the wireless smart security camera. Please follow and like for future tutorial videos where we aim to give you a peace of mind you need.